Today, we're diving into ExxonMobil's third quarter earnings report for 2024. We'll compare the estimated figures with the actual results and discuss what this means for the company moving forward. Let's start with the earnings per share, or EPS. Analysts had estimated ExxonMobil's EPS to be around $1.89. However, the company exceeded expectations with an actual EPS of $1.92. This marks a slight improvement but is a decline from last year's $2.27 per share. So, while they beat estimates, it's clear that year-over-year performance has dipped. Next up is revenue. Analysts projected ExxonMobil's revenue to reach approximately $94.24 billion for Q3. In contrast, the actual revenue came in at $90.02 billion, falling short of expectations. This decline reflects a decrease from last year's revenue of $90.8 billion. The drop in revenue can be attributed to lower commodity prices impacting overall sales. Now, let's look at some operational highlights that contributed to these results. ExxonMobil reported record high liquid production of 3.2 million barrels per day, driven by strong output from its operations in Guyana and the Permian Basin. The company generated an impressive $17.6 billion in operating cash flow and $11.3 billion in free cash flow during the quarter. Capital and exploration expenditures were reported at $7.2 billion, keeping them on track for their annual target of $28 billion. In response to these results, ExxonMobil's stock saw a slight increase of about 1% in pre-market trading, indicating that investors are somewhat optimistic despite the revenue miss. Darren Woods, the chairman and CEO of ExxonMobil, stated, "We delivered one of our strongest third quarters in a decade." He emphasized that their ongoing transformation is enhancing the company's structural earnings potential. To wrap up, while ExxonMobil's Q3 earnings report showed some positive surprises in EPS and production volumes, the revenue miss highlights challenges in the current market environment. As always, we'll keep you updated on how these developments unfold. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial insights.